Strippit 1000 XP20, rebuilt by LVD in 2007. Replaced the lead screws, replaced all the bushings, put a new control on it, got the new Funuc OI key. High-speed machine. Strippit 1000 XP20. 50 by 40 inch sheet size with one reposition and a flip. You can do 80 by 100. This machine has 3 clamps on it. Completely rebuilt by Strippit at Strippit LVD in 2007. Replaced the ball screws, replaced all the bushings in the turret, put a new control on it, a new Funuc OIP control on it. This machine has 3 auto index and a 3.5 inch station. Other sides of the machine. It's a very clean machine. She has 3 auto index stations.